Hi everybody, welcome back to Arm Candy. We've got another beautiful piece of Chanel to show you today. So this is a Chanel Timeless CC shoulder, and we've got in this gorgeous quilted beige caviar leather, and we've got one big flat pocket on the back there, and then we have shoulder strap, that lovely chunky leather and chain plaited strap there, and then we have the CC logo on the front as well, and then we have a zip top closure, so I'll open that up and show you inside. So in there, got that lovely beige colour again, but fabric lining, and then we have one zipped pocket just at the back there. I'll get that zipped back up, and then in the bottom corner, just down here, you can see we've got that date code in there as well. So the date code is 10, and so it's a 2004/2005 Chanel. So the condition of this one we've called excellent all around. There's just no faults or anything like that for me to show you. You can see that it really is just in a gorgeous condition. Each of those corners and all along the base, there's no marks or anything like that. It's just in a really beautiful condition. The hardware we've called good, very good actually. You can see for the most part it's still lovely, beautiful and shiny, especially on that strap. But just on that zip closure, there's just a little bit of darkening on the actual little zip part there. So that is why we've called the hardware very good. But again, the interior is excellent. So in there, we've got a beautiful interior. There's no marks, no signs of wear for me to show you in there. So that is why it is excellent. It comes with the Chanel desk bag, as well as a little Chanel envelope. And inside that envelope, we've got the authenticity card, which has the matching date code on it. Then we also have a little Chanel story card as well, and that is alongside another 2 story cards, Chanel story cards too. So if you wanted exact measurements, go to the link in the description below. It's the link to shop on our website, so it should give you a few more details on the bag. If you wanted to buy it, then that's where you've got to go. If you go to that link and it doesn't take you directly to this bag and it just takes you to our product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. However, you've got a couple of options. We've got loads of other beautiful arm candy on there, so have a browse through everything that we've got on there. But if it was really this that you had in mind, all you have to do is let us know and we'll pop you on our request list. So just send us over an email or fill out the contact us form on our website. We will pop you on that request list, and then next time we have one in, you'll be one of the first to know. So that's the request list. As I said, exact measurements will be on the website, but I'll show you the size on me for reference. So I'm a size UK 10 and 5'4". So it just pops really nicely onto your shoulder like that. It sits really comfortably underneath your arm. It's just a really gorgeous neutral colour. It is beautiful. So for more details, again, go to the link in the description below. While you're on our website, sign up to our newsletter and we'll send you through your welcome discount code, and also have a look at the How to Sell Us page while you're there too, if you've got any bags that you'd like to sell with Arm Candy Bag Co. And also like this video, subscribe to our channel, and then you don't miss out on any beautiful pieces like this one that we have to show you. And we'll see you very soon with some more.